That's a strange high five. Okay. What is it? It is an
elephant.
Yeah, very good. What is it?
Crocodile.
It is a crocodile.
Crocodile.
Very good. What is it? It is a giraffe. It is a giraffe. Yeah, very good. What is it? Okay, very good. It is a snake. Ah. Very good. Now, let's have a look. Let's do this one first. Where did the lion go? Where did the lion go? Right. Now, can you point to the giraffe? Which one is the giraffe? Is that a giraffe? That one. Very good. Okay. Okay. Where did that go? It's okay. Come here, Gamma. Thank you, Gamma. Thank you. Okay. Point to the hippopotamus. High five. Ow. Thank you. Good job, good job. Now, got some more cards. And a new question. Okay. How many animals are there?
One.
One what? One dog. Okay.
One dog.
Can you say a full sentence? There is one dog.
This is one dog.
One dog. Very good. How many animals are there?
This is cow.
How many?
Two crocodiles.
Two crocodiles. Crocodiles eat these. Okay. Yeah, very good. Crocodile can eat an elephant. It's too big. Right. Look here. For a full sentence, we'll say there are two cows. Can you say there are two cows?
There are two.
Very good. What about this one? How many animals are there?
3 cows.
3 cows. Very good. Can you say a full sentence? There are 3 cows. There are 3 cows.
There are 3, 4 cows.
Cows, high five. Good job. Next one. How many animals are there?
4 ducks.
Okay, can you say a full sentence? There.
One dog.
No, there are 4 dogs.
Duck or one dog.
Yeah, there's 1 dog there, but there's 4, yeah?
Yes.
So, there are 4 dogs.
There are 4 ducks.
Excellent, good job. What about this one? How many animals are there?
5 fish.
5 fish. Well done, high five. You almost punched me then. Okay. Full sentence. There are 5 fish.
There are 5 fish.
Yeah, good job. What about this one? How many animals are there?
This is the next one.
Good effort. We say there are 6 snakes.
There are 6 snakes.
Good job. How many animals are there?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Just start to show that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, how many animals are there?
1.
No, how many? It says there. 7.
No. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
8. Okay, so say there are 8 cats.
There are 8 cats.
Okay, very good.
Oh, 8 lizards.
It's 8 lizards as well.
Oh, no.
8 cats, 8 lizards. Right. How many animals are there? There are. There.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
9. Okay, so how many animals are there? There are 9.
There are 9.
9 what? 9 lizards.
9 lizards.
Okay. What about this one? How many animals are there?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
10. Okay. Can you answer in a full sentence?
Yes.
There are 10.
Lizards.
10 frogs. Yeah? There are 10 frogs.
There are 10 frogs.
Very good. Last one. How many animals are there?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15.
15?
Yes.
Okay. 15 what? 15 what?
Yes.
Birds.
51 birds.
So you say there are 15 birds.
15 frogs.
There are 15 birds.
15 birds.
Okay, high five. Good job. Good.